Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the lesson on variables. So variables are labels for data. We've actually already been using variables with input. So when I did input equals, sorry, a equals input, let's say enter a number. A here is a variable. In this case, we are creating a variable for a value we don't know, basically what the user types in. We can also create variables for our own data. So I can say b equals 5, c equals hello, and d equals some sort of a calculation. Let's say 5 times 3 plus 2. If I print all these out, a, b, c and d, you'll see that we get the values the variable stores. So a is whatever we typed in here, so that's 5. B has the value 5 as well, so you get a 5. C has hello, so you get hello. D is the result of this calculation, so 5 times 3 plus 2. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17, and that's what we get here. We can also use variables in other variables, so I can replace this 5 with b and we'll get exactly the same result. So basically b is 5, so 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 17, which is why we get 17. So essentially variables are labels for data, and wherever you use that label or variable, it's going to be replaced with whatever value you stored. We can check the data type of a variable with type, just like we learned in the last lesson. So if I run this, you'll see that we get string because a is coming from this input statement here, and I didn't do a conversion to an integer. And they function like normal data types, and their data type is basically the type of the value they store, and they'll behave as such. So if I did c, which is a string plus another string a, or let's say world in this case, then you'll see that for c we get hello world. C is essentially hello, and I'm adding the text world to it, so we got hello world. Variables are quite useful, and you'll be using them extensively in your programming journey. Now, in each of these examples, we've been looking at a case where the variable stores a single value. There are also variables that can store multiple values, and we'll be going over those next. Happy coding!